Hello and welcome to ShurLink training. In today's video, we will go through the steps on how to pair your new ShurLink Pro wireless remote to your new ShurLink receiver boxes. Before we get started, I want to note that there are two ways to pair your remote to your receiver. This video will go through the steps for the first option. You'll also want to have your receiver powered up and on, and be an arm's distance of your receiver box to complete this process. Let's start by opening your remote. Your remote will automatically power up when the cover is open. If your remote cover is already open and the screen is black, just press either of the operational buttons just below the screen. After you open your remote, you will see the home screen. From the home screen, press and hold the Alt button for 5 seconds. The remote menu screen will now display. Use your arrow buttons to arrow down to pair a device, and then press the Select button on the keypad. You will now arrow down to your desired page, A, B, or C, and then press Select. Next, arrow to your desired channel, and then press Select. Your remote is now ready to pair with the receiver module. Now you will press and hold the two buttons on the front of the receiver box at the same time. After about 4 seconds, you should hear a single beep sound emitting from the box. You can now release the buttons. Look at your remote and press the next button. Your remote will now scan for new devices that are in pair mode. After it pairs with the receiver, your remote will state device found. Press the operation button to accept this change, and now your remote and receiver are successfully paired. Repeat this process as many times as needed to pair all of your devices. As mentioned previously, there are two ways to pair a new receiver, and we'll go through the alternate option in a future video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.